In this training, I'll show you how to create a geo property within Schema app. I'm currently editing a local business, a clothing store, and you can see on the required and recommended properties, one of them is geo. And this is really the data item that describes the geo coordinates for the store. In order to create a geo coordinate, you're going to create a data item, and I'm going to call it geo for a pod. Again, I'm going to leave the URL as a default, and this will just mean that it's going to send the geo coordinates and deploy that on the home page. And then if you have a page that specifically talks about geo, you could send the schema markup there. I'm going to make sure that the type is geo coordinates, although you'll notice from the drop down that a geo circle, a geo coordinate, or a geo shape is also acceptable in schema.org. Once I've gone ahead and created that data item, I'm going to go ahead and save changes. And then you'll notice now that there's a link for geo in the data item for my local business. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to edit it. When I edit it, it's going to bring up a fact that there's a latitude and a longitude. You'll notice there's other properties I can add that the search engines have defined for geo coordinates, but just latitude and longitude are the only two that I care about. So now if I go to a tool such as latlong.net, or you can find this in Google Maps, I'm going to put in the address, and then I'm going to literally copy that latitude and longitude into the application. Once you've added the lat and long, you're going to click on save, and now you've created the geo coordinates for your clothing store or for whatever business that you've gone ahead and created. So that's how you create geo coordinates within Schema app.